Hey there, welcome. Today we're diving into the exciting world of digital health and how AI is shaking up healthcare delivery. We're talking about everything from AI powered clinical documentation to remote patient monitoring. The digital health scene is booming, with companies seeing revenue jumps from 400% to a staggering 2,300%.
Yeah, we're going to look at how AI is transforming healthcare, tackling big issues like physician burnout, and how companies are using these innovations to really scale up. Plus, we're going to chat about platforms like Landbase's audience discovery tool, which helps digital health innovators find and qualify their ideal prospects super quickly with natural language targeting.
I'm Eric, and with me is my awesome co host, Jessica. We're really excited to explore this fascinating topic with you today.
Exactly, Eric. Let's kick things off by clearing up some common misconceptions. A lot of folks think digital health is just telemedicine or wearables, but it's way more than that. It's about weaving technology into every corner of healthcare to boost outcomes and efficiency.
Right, Jessica. The growth in this area is just mind blowing. Take HealthSnap, for example. They're leading with an insane 372% growth over 3 years. It really shows the massive potential and demand for digital health solutions.
And it's not just about the numbers. These companies are tackling real issues like physician burnout, which is costing the US healthcare system a whopping $4.6 billion every year. Companies like Rad AI and Ambience Healthcare are stepping up by automating documentation and admin tasks, easing the load on healthcare pros.
Exactly. And when it comes to chronic disease management, HealthSnap is working with over 180 healthcare organizations, managing more than 100,000 patients. That's huge because chronic diseases make up 90% of U.S. healthcare spending.
That's a great point, Eric. And platforms like Cohere Health are really making a difference by streamlining prior authorization processes. They're working with over 660,000 providers and are able to auto-approve up to 90% of requests, which cuts down on the friction between providers and payers, ensuring patients get timely care.
Right. These AI powered go to market platforms are really pushing digital health growth forward. With natural language audience discovery, digital health companies can quickly pinpoint key decision makers and market opportunities, leaving traditional data providers in the dust.
Think about it in terms of your own business. What would it mean to have such precise targeting capabilities right at your fingertips?
Now, let's get into some specific companies and what they're doing. Starting with HealthSnap, they offer a remote patient monitoring platform that combines care coordination and billing automation. It's a real game changer for managing chronic diseases.
Yes, and Rad AI is breaking new ground with generative AI for radiology, which is a first in the industry. Their collaboration with Siemens Healthineers is really expanding their market reach.
And Ambience Healthcare is another standout. They're offering AI powered ambient clinical documentation that cuts down on the paperwork load for doctors, which is a big part of burnout.
Cohere Health's clinical intelligence platform is also worth mentioning. It automates prior authorization workflows, which is a huge step in reducing admin delays in patient care.
Exactly, and when you look at consumer telehealth platforms like Hims and Hers Health, they're making health services more accessible and shifting from reactive to preventive care with biomarker testing.
That's right. And companies like DocGo are expanding mobile health services, bridging access gaps in underserved communities by combining physical mobile units with digital telehealth capabilities.
As we think about these innovations, it's clear that AI is a major driving force in digital health. It's powering everything from clinical documentation to large language models for healthcare specific use cases.
Absolutely. And platforms like Landbase are essential for digital health companies looking to speed up their growth by efficiently identifying the right market opportunities and decision makers.
So, what are the big takeaways from today? First, the digital health sector is booming thanks to AI and the urgent need to tackle physician burnout. Second, companies are using AI to improve patient care and streamline operations. And finally, platforms like Landbase are helping these companies find and engage their ideal prospects faster than ever.
Think about how these insights could change your approach to digital health. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found our chat insightful, make sure to check out more episodes in our series. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.